Hi viewers, my name is Wahid, and today in this video I will tell you the easiest way to convert the numbers into text. So let's start. First, go to the description of this video and download the spell number file. This is the file that I have already downloaded. So you have to download this file to your computer, and after downloading, copy this file and open Microsoft Excel. Open a new file and press F12 key. It will show you the Save As window. In this window, go to the Save As type and select Excel Add-in. It will give you the default location for Microsoft add-ins. Paste the file here and just cancel it. Go to File. Go to Options, go to Add-ins, okay, here in Add-ins you can see that there is no active application add-ins. So here in the Manage Add-ins, go. Now you will see the file we copied in the default location. Just select and enable it and press OK. So now we will start a formula is equal to spell numbers. Let's say we will ask to convert 512.55. So it is converted as 512.55 only. You can also give a cell destination, like we will write here 557.65 is equal to spell numbers and it is converted. So for the detailed formula, I will show you another invoice where I will give you the detail for this formula, how it works, and how you can use the currencies with the formula. So let us go to this invoice. Okay, here, see. Now, this is an invoice, and here I have already used 4 different currencies. It's AED, USD, PKR, and INR. You can use all the currencies. So how you have to add the currency, if you are an advanced user for Microsoft Excel, so you know that in Excel we can merge 2 values using and sign. So let us start is equal to inverted commas, and you can type the currency here. You can provide one space here to separate the text and the currency name. You can use and sign and then the formula. Spell numbers, and you can give the cell reference which you want to convert. Press enter. So you will see the same formula with the currency name. Now there are 2 things here. If you will see, I have given 2 examples there. One is with a slash format, like 43/100, and the other format is 0.4308 only. So it is up to you that which format you like to use. So this is the one I showed. It is with a point format. Now let us try the other format, which is with slash. So what you have to do, simply open the same formula, and there is an additional extension to this formula. Use comma, and in inverted commas you can write check. So now you will see that it is formatted as 43/100. But remember, in this format, you can use only 2 decimal places to convert the numbers as text. You can use only 2 decimal places. If you want to convert all the decimal places, let's say if you have more than 2 decimal places and you want to convert all those decimal places, so better to use the first option without check. So it will be with a point and it will narrate all the decimal places. So for the currency, as I told you, that you can add in the beginning with inverted commas, and you can separate, you can merge both values with and sign. And one more thing I will tell you, that there is a restriction to convert the numbers in Excel. You can maximum convert the 15 digits. Like, it's more than enough. I think it's in a trillion, up to 999 trillion you can convert. Okay, guys, so here are the options. Both formulas with currency and with both formats. So whichever you like, you can use it in your sheet. And I hope you enjoyed this method. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and you will be getting the notification for more tutorial videos. So thank you for watching. Till the next video, goodbye.